understand, when she was in the online class, this advertisement came up. It's not a good thing. We have to check with it. What shall we do?
I heard about it. First of all, we can send an email to the service provider and we can lodge a complaint to the cyber cell also.
Yes, right time. Here comes Subhash. Good morning. Welcome, Mr. Subhash.
Good morning, all.
Good morning. Yes, really, he's an expert in the field.
What's going on here?
Uncle, I was watching my online class. This water picture appeared on the screen.
Oh. We have decided to move a complaint. Isn't it good, Uncle?
Ashwin, brilliant decision. Good. Usually everybody knows such things. That's why such practices are repeated. So we should against such practice.
Really? What shall we do, Mr. Subhash?
I think we can move a written complaint to the police station and they will direct it to the cyber cell and will take action against the site. You know, cyber cell are sharp teeth now.
Yes.
Even forwarding a defacing or bomb or fake message is a punishable offense. You open your lab so early in the morning.
Uncle, the class starts 7 in the morning and it lasts for 5 hours.
Doing assignments and sending extra.
6 to 8 hours a day. Oh my God, what a pity, Mr. Subhash.
Mom, from today onwards, you can listen to my class instead of me.
Yes, I am ready. Instead, you manage kitchen.
Oh my God, I said nothing.
Anyhow, such prolonged use of electronic gadgets may cause health problems.
But these gadgets are inevitable nowadays.
No doubt. Only thing you could do is minimize the evil effects.
Sure, Uncle, sure. The radiation is a big problem, isn't it?
Yes, Amu, you are correct. By taking some precautions, we can reduce the problem. First, keep your mobile phones a little apart from ears while attending calls. Actually, I prefer the speaker mode is better. And keep the phones at least 2 meters away while we sleep.
Ashwin and Amu, are you hearing?
Yes, Mom.
Anyway, it affects eyes also. My friend's daughter is using spectacles now.
Yes.
Is there any remedy?
Yeah, I read an article the other day. Wink your eyes frequently and wash your face now and then while using electronic screens. It keeps your retina better.
Oh, yes, brilliant. And you know, obesity is also another severe problem. Having junk food while watching screens is the main reason for the obesity. Children should not be confined to the gadget screens. They must engage in sports, games, and yoga.
Oh, the use of new gadgets need much care.
Yes.
Thank you, Uncle, for such a valuable information.
But Amu, you deserve the appreciation.
I am glad with you, my daughter.
You brought the whole thing into the notice of your parents. That's why we were able to solve this problem. Each and every child should be ready to share their abnormal things they face with their parents and teachers. Then they can escape from those traps.
Sure, Uncle, we will. We are proud of you, children.